All right, so here is my look at the Mkicesky, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, contour memory foam pillow for side sleeping. So obviously it's coming rather compressed in the plain brown box here. So inside the plastic we have a bit of a wrapper here. I'm going to have to cut that open, I think. So there we go. And didn't notice that. Here we go. And we'll let that expand a minute, come back to life. And so here's our, so lists a different brand name here inside. So I guess Mkicesky is just the seller. Here's the manufacturer. Specifications, how to use, and customer service information. So inside the cover here, it's okay. It's recovered from its compression in the box. So I obviously ordered the gray and white version here. I believe there's a different color combination, has some blue in it or something like that. Queen size. So obviously very memory foam there. So looks promising. Got this to replace a Tempur-Pedic pillow that's about 15 years old and kind of worn out. I do have some neck issues, history of neck surgeries, so I'm going to try this out. Let me get some pictures laying on there that I can add to the video and try it out for a few nights. All right, so here's some comparison pictures. You can sleep on the pillow in one or two sides, or however you want to call it, front, back. So one holds a little bit higher than the other based on your preference. I preferred kind of the lower. And then I also have a comparison with my old Tempur-Pedic pillow. And yeah, I didn't care for being on the neck higher. That sort of side too, a little lower there, was definitely more comfortable for me. And I was very comfortable in either the laying on my back or on the side. Um, I think my sleep numbers have actually gone up, if you believe the sleep numbers in the fitness tracker world. But I'm actually getting consistently better sleep. I've been using the pillow for over a week now, and yeah, just consistently better sleep numbers than with my old Tempur-Pedic pillow. Rolling over and things, it does kind of force you to kind of lay right in the. There's a nice spot where you gently lay your head. That was just very natural to me. Felt felt good, and I think I'm sleeping well. So very pleased with that. I am very happy with the purchase. Hope this is a useful look. One last thing is I didn't really realize until I was getting ready to use it here that the cover does unzip here, and you can remove that for cleaning. Obviously the foam inside can't really be washed, but the cover can be cleaned, as you see here. So I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.